What is up, you all? Welcome back to Timster. Today we are talking about contractors does not get the respect that they deserve. They have tons of mods. With these mods, you don't even need a PC. Don't get it mistaken. This is no ad or anything. I just really vouch for this game because if you're a Call of Duty person and you're also new to virtual reality, this teaches you everything of how virtual reality is, and no PC needed. You literally go into the main menu and you can see right here that it says mods, and you click it and it allows you to search for so many built-in mods. This game is the only game that gives us this many built-in mods to have fun. Now, all in all, it is still the same type of game, but I'm more than sure people are going to continuously add more mini games and more just overall adventure to these types of mods. But let's look into what's trending right now. You can go to trending simply and you literally can go. They have Team Fortress VR. They have Clone Wars, which is amazing if you're into Battlefront and everything. They have Modern Warfare 2, the classic. They have zombie loadouts in here, which I installed. They have Gunsmoke, Escape from Tarkov type mods. They have World at War. They have One Room, basically is a back room inspired, Warhammer inspired. They have Bikini Bottom up in here. They have CSGO mods, all types of Halo mods and installments. Look, here's a Halo loadout that I used to have. You can just download it whenever you want. And they're easy to download. All you have to do right here is just hit subscribe. Now, you're not subscribing, you're not paying for anything. It just means that you're linked in within their community now, the mods. And of course, you always want to check out the mods so you can try to say what's up to them. So Moist Brother right here, like with the Halo loadout mod. And there's just so much when you go through it. There's the MW 2019 loadouts. There's Titanfall. That's huge. CSGO McDonald's. And there's Super Mario in here. Like, there's some that I have. I'll show y'all some that I have too after all these. So you can just keep going around. You can see Black Ops 2 right here. You see a PUBG inspired. You have Shipment, which is so fun. In virtual reality, people love Shipment on Call of Duty already. You play this right here, Shipment in virtual reality. It's the same exact thing. And I mean, it's so slept on. Black Ops 4. Lego Star Wars, like, that's crazy. Now, aside from that, you can go right here and you can go update it, which also helps out so you can see what really has gone through. And now let's go into what I really love most about this. So when I look for these mods, you want to look for your Call of Duty ones, your zombies. I'm a huge zombies person regardless, especially in virtual reality. It's such a fun time. So all you got to do is hit COD Z and they give you the maps of Call of Duty. So you see Call of Duty Z Quest, you see Dust 2, you see the Counter-Strike, the oil rig, the back alley. I love this map. This map is actually really fun. You have the COD Z5, the famous one. They do announce and they give you stuff for if it's alpha. When I first started trying out a lot of these mods, they were just a lot of multiplayer. They weren't this much zombies. Somebody has caught on to the zombie trend, the zombie wave, and they have really started creating so much more. Like what I said, the loadouts, they have the World at War. They have this one's pretty fun, the Cheese Cube. They have the DS version of the Call of Duty zombies. They also have a Link, Zelda inspired, basically. You got Ganondorf's Tower basically in that one. Then you have your own mini version of Bikini Bottom again. And then you could also hit I think you hit zombies on this one too. You could also find more. Let me try that. So you can hit zombies. Let me hit zombies. So you do have a few more over here. You have the World War II shipment, so you can get a zombie shipment going on. And then you have the 2019 Gulag, which is one of my favorite ones. So just by searching zombies and COD Z, you get yourself tons of mods. That's not even like going on with what's going on with multiplayer and everything. These are some of the mods that I have downloaded, so I'll show y'all some examples also. I have the Clone Wars, which is more of like the Battlefront. I have Nuketown. They do have Nuketown zombies also. I have Rust right here, Shipment, and I have the zombies loadout. I have the Bikini Bottom. I have the Shipment. And I do have back rooms also, so they do have back rooms going on in Call of Duty Zombies. A Super Mario stage. I got the Gulag. I got a lot of these. I got kind of Counter-Strike, more COD Zombies. I got the Slenderman COD Zombie, the Battle Royale type zombie. Now, these are things that are huge, right? And I have to say that it was just fun. It's a fun ordeal to have these types of mods. Again, I really vouch for this because this doesn't require a PC. This doesn't require anything to take these mods. In Bone Lab, you still only are so limited to stuff, and Blade and Sorcery Nomad, you're limited. Here they are going above and beyond, just showing you. Now, of course, it still sticks to the main frame of a FPS game, your traditional arena shooter. Man, this is taking it to the next level, and I think that it just needs more recognition. Let's jump right into the CSGO, one of my favorites. So all you have to do to really enter any of these mods, you just choose a map. You can choose your single player, or you can host your own. And let's go ahead and get into the back alley version. So right now we're in the CSGO alley, the back alley. This is pretty dope, man. They have like a different animation for very, but it still has everything that we know and love. All right, let's get a little spicy now, guys. Shall we?
Shoot him up!
You can see right here too, like it tells you everything, like your kills, zombies that are alive. This stage actually goes a lot further than I thought. The expansion of this is dope, so shout out to the mod, bro. Yeah, this is actually super fresh. Can you jump down? That's the question. This is dope, man. I could be up here. Look at that, look, I could be up here. That's too funny, man. You see that? Oh! See if they come through right here. Can we just fall down? You want to try it? Oh, we can't. Can we? Oh, no fall damage. Let's go. That's always the best part about a game, right? Everything is really dope about this game, though. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty fluid for it being a mod. The music's really good too. It keeps you real intense. Come on over, baby. Uh-oh. I probably spoke too soon on that. Hey, what's up, Phyllis? We're gonna go this way. So it kind of gives you those markers of where they're at. Very cool. Shit. That's not good. They're pissed. They're pissed. No, he's pissed.
Bring it on!
Whew, that was close. Sniper. Oh! I see what they did there. They put the intense music with this. Oh, yeah. Always check your corners, fellas.
We are keeping score!
Okie doke. Okay. Uh-oh. No!
Come on,
He's fast!
like backup!
No!
Let's see. 1,000 zombies, 1 Dempsey. Yeah, that's probably fair.
Kill the fast one.
They're all around me!
No! So those were some of the examples in this game, and I have to say it's pretty fun, it's dope, it's fresh. Some are in alpha, some are still tested, but they're mods and they're free and they give you different experiences, especially if you recognize, if your gaming library is huge, you're definitely going to recognize a lot of these sceneries, and it's just fun to hear the music and play and just be able to do stuff. And Contractors on Quest 2 is definitely underrated, and so you should really check it out for yourself, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one, and peace.